tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meters and its length is 7 meters. Then find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Let's see the solution for this. Given that radius of cylinder is 1.5 meters, that is R is equal to 1.5 meters, and its length, which is also considered as height, that is H is equal to 7 meters. Volume of cylinder is pi r square H. Let us find out the volume for this cylinder now. And let us substitute the values into this. This is 22 by 7 into 1.5 is the radius. So 1.5 into 1.5 and the height is 7. Let's simplify this. So we get 49.5 meter cube. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Now the volume we got is 49.5 meter cube. So therefore volume in liters is 49.5 into 1000. That will give us 49,500 liters. Therefore we can say that the quantity of milk that can be stored in the tank is 49,500 liters. This is the end of the solution.